Abaorokigwa b'Esukuru ya Matongo egotoka sewodi ya Bokeira ebunge ya North Mogirango imeye kaunti ya Nyamira nigo baenekeirie oboteneneri bw'esukuru eyubuna mbeariganeti buya Ase Amatemwa Amanene alebosio y'omwaka oyo iga. Aya nigo bayakwanire chingaki bakorire EGEIKARO amo n'omwarimu omonene w'esukuru eyo abo ase baenekirie buna nigo bagochia gokora buya eri kogenda nainde ase ebirengo binde birengo binde ebinene by'ekisemi. Oyo Minto Vincent Monda na roboti orwo.
Magega y'omwarimu omonene Tom Nyauma Surumo gokora emirimo yaye buya kuru Esukuru ya Matongo nigo mo chief principal Yona Omaenyakoe akiamigwa ebirandi eri kogendereria na gosegeta bokoreri bw'ekisemi ase esukuru eyo goika bono iga nigatebire obwatire omorero buya eri konekia tari gochikoyeria eamate enseme eyo nabo igo abaibori abo babwate getari ekenene ase esukuru eye.
Nabere ngo adjust. I'm trying my best to integrate n'abarimu twabere togoshare. Bono ase tuwaikire, we are bonding very well.
Abaorokigwa baria bagoche goisaransa Ase Amatemwa Amanene omwaka oyo abo bare chimisato 25 ase baria chimisano na 53 bara ase esukuru eye nigo bakomanya omwarimu omonene buna beariganirie buya Ase Amatemwa yo. Pascal Charles n'omworokigwa otenete abaorokigwa bande ase esukuru eye.
The school has been like a godsend to us. It has providing us with a very favorable learning environment. For our father, we call him Father Mr. Yona. He has enabled the school from providing us with every meal we needed, from books, revision materials, and everything.
Ibrahim Orwaru, the deputy head prefect in the Matongo Boys High School. All of us have the ambition that it is a 100% transition to university.
Abaorokigwa abo nigo bono bagosegeta bamwe abo ase chisukuru chinde na barobo babekomokia eri konekia buna ngonyara bare gweta Ase Amatemwa abo.
Yes, for my fellow students, most of the Form 4s, I wish to take this opportunity to tell them that in order to succeed, first of all, you need to put God first. And with God, everything is possible. And above God, you also need to put a lot of effort, determination, and that effort, obviously, God will bless what you have. So I would like to urge them that they should not give up. They should continue pressing hard, and obviously they will achieve their goal.
Eng'ana y'omunyakirogo bwa bodi y'esukuru eyo Kennedy Mung'are nigo aenekirie omokio omonene orase esukuru eyo nonye babwate ebitango bitari bike korende riyanda riaye nase omwana bw'esukuru abwo ase atebire buna abana barendwa nene mono chingaki echi chirusa chiachakire.
Bono chisukuru ngochire kobungwa nekero chigo chikobungwa abana baito nkoenda bareka nabo twari gusaba ng'abaibori kamureka take care of your children. Denda abana baino takobachwara gakora amatukaya nabare ochoganaine igwakera murarenda abana baino nabo bakawate save site kale sukuru ekoigorwa onyorenga mbuya bare
koreng'ana n'omwarimu omonene Yona Nyakoe nigatebire ase gekabera ase esukuru eye obeire gakwagacha abaorokigwa abo buya naende nare nokwegena buna ebiorokererio kurasa abaorokigwa abo nabo bire ebiya.
Ntosemereti ng'a ekero chingaki chigoika chia Amatemwa abana baito mbakaro Amatemwa ase obogororo na ase obotoereru erinde tonyore bakonyora emaki eri batagete ase okobamanyia ekerasi eki omwaka 2026 target yabo gere 9.0. That is the mean standard score. But ekero naringo nomokutana na barabo ebante inga into 9 into yamanyeti total gwaka 10 point. And I trust that ekero barakora Amatemwa ayo mba exceed the target eri baseteti ekero mwaka ochagete.
Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV.